If you drive through historic pockets of San Francisco, New Orleans, or Cincinnati, you might pass homes that look less like American suburbia and more like Renaissance villas. These are Italianates. These romantic masterpieces have stunning and rare curb appeal. But living inside a 175-year-old architectural statement comes with a highly specific set of modern layout and climate challenges. The style was first popularized in the 1850s when American architect Andrew Jackson Dowling published an architectural pattern book with straightforward blueprints to bring the Renaissance visual drama to American streets. On the exterior, Italianate homes have deep overhanging roof eaves, massive decorative brackets, and often narrow arched windows too. Many Italianates feature a distinct square tower on the roof called a cupola. The cupola wasn't just some luxury ornament. It was originally engineered to act as a natural chimney, pulling hot air up and out of the house during 19th-century summers. Inside, the defining features of a historic Italianate are their grand scale, featuring dark historic hardwoods and 12 to 14-foot ceilings. While this creates incredible volume, it presents a serious mechanical problem in the 21st century. Modernizing these structures requires tearing into centuries-old plaster to install hidden ductwork and floor heating system retrofits. If the owner opens up the layout into a trendy open concept floor plan, heating these massive vertical volumes in the winter can send utility bills skyrocketing. Buyers today are paying a massive baseline premium not just for the square footage, but to act as custodians for delicate pieces of architectural history. To explore the history and design trade-offs of more historic home styles, subscribe to our Architecture Deep Dive series every Sunday morning.